Hello.
Today I'm gonna make
Some jellyfish. Yeah?
jellyfish.
Yeah, we have colors here. Can you tell me the colors?
Pink, white, red, yellow, black, blue, purple, green.
Well done. All the colors, beautiful ones. And what we have here, open. Okay. For water. We have these ones for shapes. A flower.
Look,
What is that? To catch the fish.
it's a net.
A net. Gloves. We have these ones for the water. And glitter. Okay, first, the gloves.
Okay.
Let's put it. They are big. They are so big for you. Yeah? Oh my god, where are your fingers? Okay, now we have to fill the tank with water, okay? Let's do it. Now?
Put the color.
The color.
Now green.
Now green. Hello, dolphin.
Oh.
That's fine. We put it here now. Yes. What is that? What is that? What is that? We are making a dinosaur. Ouch. Slowly. Yes.
Here's one net.
This is Spania. We have made apple, dinosaur, a whale, a dolphin, yeah, a kitten, kind of. Yes, mommy? You happy? Are you happy?
Look.
Wow, what is that? What is that? We don't know. It's a jellyfish. So fun. Say thank you for watching, friends.
Thank you for watching, friends.
Subscribe.
To my channel.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What we're doing now? Wow. Ta-da! Apple. What is that? Can I see this one? Wait. Oops. Wow. Squish, squish, squish. A dolphin. Ouch. Oh my god, what is that? A whale. Funny? Be careful.
Dunk.
What is else? What is that? An apple? It's a bit slippery. Apple. Kitten. What is that? It's transformed. A jellyfish.